Alright guys, how you doing? Jeff here. Know it's been a while, but figured I'd do another video, and this is the first I've ever done for one of these kind of fans. This fan will be going on eBay, but also wanted to do a full demonstration. So this is a Sears Emerson turn of the century 52-inch fan. Has a K55 motor in it. It's 3 speeds. Brown with a polished brass ring around the side. This fan actually was in a restore in a state south of me for quite some time, and I kept passing it up because it didn't have the blades. Finally got them to let me in the back of the store and actually found the blades for this thing, so that was kind of cool. Anyways, put it all together, gave it a little oil in the bearings just because I could hear it was loud, spinning it by hand at first, and she cleaned up quite well. A few scratches on the blade irons and the housing, but overall pretty nice shape, and it was complete too with the original mounting hardware, which was very cool to find that. So I've got it hooked up to an amp meter right now. We'll go ahead and give it a test, see what kind of current draw we have. So let's go ahead, we'll start it up on low. Low and downdraft, and just like we are pulling, just jumping between 1.6 and 1.5 amps on downdraft here. That's on low. I do like the low speed on this fan. It's a nice restaurant low, as I like to call them. Nice and slow. Alright, we'll go ahead and go up to medium. Give it a second here to get all the way up to speed. Medium is settling out at 0.48, it appears. 0.48 amps on medium. Still runs nice and smooth. I got fortunate with this one. The blades were taken off correctly. The blade irons weren't bent, so it was good to go when I put it back up. It didn't need any balancing, and it happened to run smooth. So we'll go ahead and not move it up to high. These are nice air movers. I always like these K55 fans with the big metal flywheels. Oh, that's not good. There we go. And it looks like it is pulling 0.78 amps running on high in downdraft. So we'll go ahead and cut power to it and do a spin down. And I probably won't test it in reverse just because I already have off the camera and it runs smooth. So yeah, this is a nice fan. It is complete, other than I don't have the switch housing cover for it. It didn't come with it. I will toss in, and when I put it on eBay, I'll be doing this as well. I'll be tossing in this 3-light kit that I found the fan with. No globes, just the light kit. So that will come with it. Spin down just about complete. So yeah, my eBay account is gdogkzo. Check it out if you're interested in purchasing this fan. And if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel for this and other fan-related content.